Hello guys, my name is Gideon Kiprono, a web developer, and I'll be taking you through what you should know. Yeah, in this case, in this context, I'll be taking you through the 5 programming languages that a programmer should know in 2018. And I will start with the first one, which is Java programming language. And Java programming language is a general purpose programming language that is almost running in every device we interact with. Examples: televisions, mobile phones, tablets, and firmwares. It makes it the most needed programming language since there is much usage for the device now and also projection of use in the future. What this means, ladies and gentlemen, is that Java is used by over 3 billion devices that we interact with almost every other time in our life. For example, the TVs that you watch, basically, most of them run in Java platform, and most of the mobile phones, for example, Android devices runs in Java. So, as a programmer in 2018, you should learn Java because there is large share of the market that uses Java, and also there is high projection of the Internet of Things coming in, and with the Internet of Things coming in, smart cities, etc., most of the devices that will be deployed at that pace will be using Java programming language. Therefore, as a programmer, you should be able to learn Java as one of your programming languages because it will be needed in the future, and also it's needed now for you to be able to develop applications for those devices that we interact with most of the time. And the second thing why Java is required is that it's more secure, and it has a lot of community who will be able to help you in solving problems that you may encounter, maybe in terms of when developing some devices or when developing some applications, etc. So that is all about Java. The next one is JavaScript, and you should not confuse Java with JavaScript. They are two different languages which runs on different platforms. And JavaScript is basically known for working in websites, and it is used for creating dynamicity. And what I mean by dynamicity is changes in web appearance and web activities due to events. And JavaScript is one of the languages that is important in web platform because it creates that interactivity between the user and the web service. So the reason why you should learn JavaScript in 2018 is because JavaScript is powering the websites, and the websites or the internet is much more. We are entering the internet age where people will be able to carry out online transactions, and people will be able to carry out social networking to the next level. So with that diving into the internet some more, many people will be requiring JavaScript or websites that are very interactive in nature, and this will be able to be JavaScript. And also with the introduction of Node.js, which is a library for JavaScript, which is running on the server side, this makes JavaScript a full language for front and backend, making JavaScript a powerful language to learn in 2018. And at number 3 is PHP. PHP is a very powerful server-side language that powers several websites online. Example of a website that is powered by PHP is WordPress, and social networking sites such as Facebook, which are one of the sites that are well known all over the world. And when I say PHP, the reason why you should learn PHP in 2018 as a programmer is because most of the sites that we develop are basically consisting of social networking sites, and PHP is well known for that activity because it's powering the biggest social networking site that is in our region, that is Facebook. And this makes it one of the language that people should learn to develop social networking sites or chat platforms that will be able to help them in developing or building their businesses. At number 4 is Python. Python is one of the programming that has an extended library to ease several processes. One of the major interests that I have in Python is because it's good in data analytics capability, and this makes Python one of the powerful languages in data processing in this era. So basically what I'm saying is wherever you want to do data analytic things, for example, using those Python stuff and libraries, you should be able to use this language and be able to learn this language, because we are in the data era and data is our gold in this age. Therefore, if you want to be one of data analysts out there, you should learn Python as one of the programming languages in 2018. And at number 5 is Solidity. Basically, many people will be asking, what is Solidity? Solidity basically is a programming language that was developed by Ethereum platform, and it is one of the programming languages that uses the blockchain technology to be able to help the society develop smart contracts. And smart contracts are those contracts that do not require the third party to intervene in sharing value. It enables people to share value peer to peer. That means there will be no third party that is trusted to be able to carry out transactions between or act as an intermediator between two parties. So with the embracement of blockchain technology, you will be able to require Solidity as a language, which will be able to help you in moving up with developing smart contracts and helping people to reduce the middleman. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I say thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe down there. If you feel there is any other programming language that is important to you, please add it down in my comment section, and I'll see you next time.